Yo guys, what's good? Producer Mykah here again, and today guys, I know a lot of you guys might be struggling with getting the exact same chords that was played on your favorite songs. So today I have an update. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually get the MIDI to any chord progression you hear out there. So without wasting time guys, let's go right into our DW. So I've already started the beat. I've made the drums, so I'm just going to show you guys. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, I show you guys how you can easily get the one shot that was used on any song, and that's the same thing we're going to be using on this beat we're working on. Then at this point we have some hi-hats played. Yeah, so in my previous video I showed you guys how you can actually get the one shot. So if I go over to like the my pattern now, you're gonna see everything is called Magic's drum. That's because I actually got the drums from the original song, and once I've properly done mixing this, you're not even gonna know that I got this one shot from from the drums. So that's gonna be like, oh, this sounds exactly like what was used in the exact song. And this is a way you can, once you get a nice one shot like this, you can also save it, so you can use it whenever I want to use it. And I'm going to show you how you can also do that. So in case you've not watched that video, the link is going to be up here. Just go and watch it. But I'm just going to do a quick way of how you can do it. So you can just come over to the original song, and you can extract stem from sample, and you have different options. You can extract the drums, the instrumental, the bass, and the vocal. And for this, what I'm doing, I just extracted everything. It's going to take a while, but we have the drums here, and these are the original drums. So you listen to the drums, you can still hear like some artifacts under the drums. But one time you use editing to open it up, cut out the drums, the one shot, the percussions, we can get a cleaner sound. Say you like this snare and you want to keep using it in different projects, you want to always use it. All you just have to do is come over here, right click, and you're gonna see save as. So by the time you save it, you can just locate where where your drum pack is and just create a folder and save it. As simple as that. So you now have it saved, and you can then pick it from your plugin picker, or from this side where you pick your drum sample from. Very simple. All you just have to do, right click and save as. Join the Patreon. Yeah, so we have this for our drums, so we can just give it a nice some swing. So now I'm back to the update for today. We have this nice chord that is playing playing with the vibe. So for me now, that at least I can play the keyboard to an extent. I could just listen to this and okay, this is what was played. I'm just gonna show you an example. I'm just gonna listen to it and try to play along. That's because I've developed my ear and I can play a little bit of the keyboard. But starting out, it's actually very, very difficult to know exactly what is being played. So today, that's where I got you today. So we can have something like this. So you can see, for me, just listening to it, I was able to know that okay, this is what is played. So quite simple. But if you are struggling to learn how, or you're just starting out production, and or you're at that level where if you hear something is actually very difficult to know what exactly is being played, all you just have to do is once you have extracted the sound like this, you can just select that portion of just the chord played and just export it. So you can export it as wave or mp3, and I'm gonna show you this website where you can just drag in that sample, and it's gonna give you the MIDI, which you can then drag. So we'll just go to, I think it's called audio to MIDI. So it's called samplab.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and it's free of charge. All you just need to do, you don't even need to sign up, just drag in your sample and just hit convert, and it does it very, very fast. So it has even detected the tempo, that the tempo is 101, which is perfect. That's our tempo. So I'm just gonna play what it has created, and this is what it sounds like. Nice. So all you just need to do is download this MIDI. So I'm just gonna hit on download, and all you just need to do is drag this MIDI into your piano roll. So let's put it on this stage piano. Or I think I have Diva open, so I'm just gonna put it on Diva, and let me just cut it and create another pattern. Let's call these chords. Yeah, so sometimes it might not just be on time, but you could just go in manually, just adjust everything. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna do Control Q, which is to quantize. So you just fix some of those notes to have something like this. So let's bring this. So it has given you all the notes you need to get that exact same sound in seconds. So you don't need to, you can then even go inside, play around with the note. Let's say you want to just take this note an octave to create, a different vibe. Take this an octave also. So you can just play around, like, be creative with it. You've created a different vibe, by just going playing an octave. I don't know, but you get it. So yeah, that's the update for today. Sample Lab, got you covered. So in case you hear a song and you like the chord progression, you just extract that sound or that chord progression into Sample Lab, and it creates the MIDI for you. Yes, I just moved it an octave. Let's bring it down.
Smile anytime I hear their opinion. Some of my friends backstab me, so nobody with me I really trust. They tell me that it's love, but it's status that I see. Me power like a chaser for my gene, because many voices in my head. When I feel like me, I get many losses in my words. See mama say make up for me, because many voices in my head. When I feel like me, I get many losses in my words. See mama say make up for the anointing for my.
So yeah, guys, this is how you can also like do it for the bass. Let's go over to the bass. This is the bass. Just drag this in and hit convert, and for this bass, it's gonna be easy. As you can see, it's giving us space. Yeah, nice. Simple. I'm just gonna drag this MIDI. So let's just turn off the sequencer. Yeah, something like this. The bass sounds something like this. So
See mama say make up for the anointing my way. Say me pray to find my way now. You say me I value my peace from the get-go. Me I know they fight so leave my shit up many let go. I just wanna make this money just to feed myself. And peace to the ones we lost in a tattoo. Oh no.
I just want to show you guys how you can easily get the chord progression that was played on any song. Alright guys, so hope you got something from this. Hope this was helpful to you, and if you want to keep getting amazing updates, all you just have to do is hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you always get notified when next I post And if you want to get this FLP and other amazing goodies, all you just have to do is join the Patreon. And the Patreon, you get amazing stuff, FLPs, sample packs, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Go click the link in the description and join the Patreon. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Updates with Mykah. Peace.